Okay, I'm really excited. I just got done getting educated on something, and I love the feeling of look what I just learned. That's my favorite feeling in the whole world. So what I'm doing, if you're wondering why I'm going live 5 whole times today, this morning I woke up and I was issued a go live 50 times in 2 weeks challenge, and this has been really super fun. I recommend it to everybody. Like you get the space to get out all kinds of ideas, but I need a favor. So I'm going to tell you what I just learned. What I just learned is that when you're going, because my main marketing platform for my business is video. I'm a writer and I love that, but I feel like it needs to be video for the majority, right? Hey, Corinne. And the thing that I just learned is that you have to have this, like, there's this whole word of mouth thing. This is so brilliant. I hope when I talk about this, you're going to be going, oh, me too. Hey, Rizzy. Okay, so here's what it is. There's a thing you can do. It's called talk triggers. There's a guy's got a book coming out. I wish I remembered his name. I got too excited and I just hopped on here. But he's got a book coming out called Talk Triggers. And the idea is, the example he used is there's this hamburger joint somewhere, and I don't remember where, and that hamburger joint has this thing. They have good hamburgers, but it's not like spectacular. Hey, Boyd. And the thing that draws people there and gets people to tell people about it is that they have this talk trigger. And the thing is, everybody that comes through the door has this one opportunity to win something for free. Every single person that comes to the door. And what it is they order their food, and as they're ordering their food, they draw a card, like a deck. And there's one card in there that's unique to the rest of the deck. And if they happen to draw that card, then they get their whole meal, their whole entire order is free. So it's only one out of the whole day, or one out of the whole deck or whatever. I think it's only one per day. I don't know. I don't know about that. But there's one person, as they're paying, they get their whole thing for free if they draw this card at the end of the day. It's so brilliant. And that's the same for everybody. So okay, obviously I need to watch this again because there are details I missed. But what I'm wondering is, like, let's say that I were to give something away for free and, like, it was the same across the board, equal opportunity for everyone. Considering, okay, a whole bunch of people just got on. We're talking about talk triggers. Talk triggers are, I'm gonna share this example again. There's a hamburger joint that has this thing. They have good hamburgers, nothing spectacular. Hey, Heather. Nothing spectacular, but they have this really fun thing that they do every day, or, for every customer or whatever it is, where they have a deck of cards and people come through, they get their order, and at the checkout, they can draw a card, and there's one unique card in there. And if they draw it, then they get their whole order for free. So my question is, and my hope is that you can give me some ideas and opinions. Like, I don't have a hamburger joint, obviously, but I love this idea. And so I have a YouTube channel, and obviously I hang out on Facebook as well. And I wonder what I could give away. Like let's say that anybody who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos on YouTube gets something special. And I have a slim down company, and I teach people how to do course creation. So let's say I were to give somebody something for free. What do you think? Because I love to do that, even though my last video was about value exchange. But let's say that that's a draw. That's a talk trigger. Like, somebody would actually say, hey, you need what she has, and if you do this, there is a chance, like 1 in 56 chance, that you can get something for free, just like this burger joint. What do you think? Does anybody have any ideas? What is a cool thing that I could do? Like, if they do something, 1 out of, every single person has a 1 out of 56 chance, just like the cards, of getting what they order absolutely free. Do you have any ideas? Something fun. I mean, I think it needs to be connected to watching all the way to the end of the video so they get the whole value and the whole message, the whole lesson, the whole challenge, whatever it is. Nobody has any ideas? Darn. Well, I know that I have mostly marketers and business owners. Yeah, it would be some kind of mentorship because that's what I have. So, and I have courses, so I could give them a digital course and I could give them an audio or something like that. So yes, but the thing is, what is the trigger? What is the talk trigger? Why would they talk? Like the hamburger joint does this, draw a card at checkout. So they order their food, they already know what they're getting. They are already planning on paying for it, but there's a chance that they may they may get it for free. There's a chance. So I have plenty of things I could give away. Oh, you're not super bad at this, Heather. Come on. Like, if they watch to the end of the video and something, then they get something for free that I have. What is the trigger? What would people be like, they line up at this place to get the food there because there's a chance. I'm bad wireless connection. So anyway, okay, well, I'm coming up with that idea. If you're watching this, if you come back to it and you have some ideas, I would love to hear them. What would make people want to talk? Because I've got plenty of really great value that I could give people if they would win a card. What could it be? How could I have them draw a card? There could be a digital card somehow. I'm gonna figure it out. Boyd says, I could sponsor some products you could give away. We will talk about that. Okay, we actually should talk about that, Boyd. You have cool stuff. Talk to Boyd if you need biohacking. Clean the air junk out of your body so it can be clean. All right, I'm brainstorming, and I hope somebody will give me some really great ideas of what could be a talk trigger. Something that I always do that people can get, like, they know that I always do it. There's always an opportunity to get what they, the thing for free that they could get. And that would mean that they would want to share it with somebody else. What do you think it would be? I'm going to go brainstorm. I'll talk to you later. Oh, not today, because this is my last live video of the day. I'll see ya.